Have you ever felt like your company's best ideas, its most valuable secrets, are just locked away inside a spreadsheet somewhere? Well, you are definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into no-code analytics. And let me tell you, it's not just another tech trend, it's about finally giving you the key to unlock all that data yourself. I mean, think about it. How many times have you had a burning question about your customers, or your sales, or your marketing, and you just knew the answer was buried somewhere in a massive spreadsheet? You know it's in there, but actually getting it out feels, well, impossible. It's a huge daily frustration for so many of us. In this right here, this is what we call the data bottleneck. It's crazy, right? We're practically swimming in data, but trying to get a simple, straight answer can be painfully slow. You have a question, you file a ticket with the data team, you wait, and by the time you get a report back, the moment might have already passed. Getting answers just shouldn't be this hard. I mean, look at this contrast. It really shows you the massive shift that's happening. The old way, data was this walled-off garden, guarded by experts who spoke a different language, code. Getting an insight meant waiting for weeks, sometimes even months. But the new way, it just blows those walls wide open. No code needed, insights in minutes. And the most important part, data is suddenly for everyone. So what's making this new way possible? Well, it's the rise of the no-code solution. We're seeing this whole new generation of software that's designed for one thing, to completely smash that data bottleneck and put the real power of analysis right where it belongs, in your hands. So what exactly is no-code analytics? You know, when you boil it all down, it's really about one word: empowerment. It's about these incredibly powerful tools that let you dig into your own data, create your own charts, and find your own answers, all without writing a single line of code. They basically replace all that complex programming with simple, visual drag-and-drop interfaces. And listen, this isn't some niche, futuristic concept. It's happening right now, and it's a direct answer to a huge, everyday need. People in every single department, from marketing to sales to HR, are looking for easier ways to understand their data. This is the solution they've been waiting for. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This still sounds a little technical. But the real beauty here is just how simple these platforms are. Seriously, we're talking about going from a boring static spreadsheet to a dynamic, insightful chart in just a couple of clicks. Let's break down how it actually works. It really just comes down to these 3 simple steps. First, you connect your data. And this can be as easy as just dragging and dropping an Excel file. Then, and this is the magic part, you just ask. You type your question in plain English, like you're texting a coworker. And finally, you visualize. Instantly, the tool generates the perfect chart or graph to give you a clear answer. Honestly, this is the best way to think about it. You're literally having a conversation with your data. So instead of emailing an analyst, hey, what were our top selling products in the Midwest last quarter? You just ask the tool directly. And instead of waiting days for an answer, you get it right then and there. Okay, so this sounds pretty great, right? You're probably wondering, where do I even begin? The good news is there are already some incredible tools out there that make this whole thing super straightforward. Let's look at a couple of options just to get you started. 2 fantastic examples to check out are Julius and Accio. Both of them are all about that easy, conversational, no-code approach. Julius, for example, is amazing at turning simple questions into really complex analyses and charts. And Accio is known for being lightning fast at building predictive models. Again, all without code. They're both really great places to start exploring. You know, when you zoom out, this is so much bigger than just making a new report faster. When you make data this easy and this accessible, you start to change the entire culture of a company. You're actually democratizing analytics. You're giving everyone, from the newest intern to the CEO, the power to make smarter, data-driven decisions all on their own. But if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's speed. The absolute biggest benefit is speed. You're shrinking the time between having a question and getting an insight from weeks or days down to mere minutes. Just imagine what that kind of agility feels like, being able to test ideas and react to changes almost in real time. That's a huge competitive advantage. So, that really brings us to the most important point. Now that you know this power is right at your fingertips, what are you going to do with it? Think about that one question, the one that's been bugging you that you know is trapped in a spreadsheet somewhere. With these tools, you can finally go ask it.